Hey everyone, welcome back to the show. So today I want to talk about a piece of meat that is really unknown for anything other than making jerky or roast beef, and that is a bottom round roast. In today's video, it's going to be a two-part video. I'm going to show you how to make a bottom round roast steak, and then we're going to cook it in the second video. Come on with me. Let's show you how I cut this steak. All right, so like I said, the bottom round roast, guys. Everyone likes to use these. They cut them real thin, and then they run them through there, and they make they'll make beef jerky out of it. Sometimes you'll even see ones where they make roast beef. But in today's video, I want to show you guys how to cut this steak. This is $7.99 a pound. A regular steak, a good steak, right now is almost $20 a pound, and you're getting a little tiny slice of steak. This is a great alternative to saving you some money and also providing lots of protein for the family. $7.99 a pound versus $18.99 a pound. All right, what you're going to do is you'll look at the steak and you're going to see where the grain runs this way. You want to cut across the grain this way. So what we're going to do is, doesn't matter which end you pick, one or the other. And first thing we want to do is we want to trim it up and square it. Where's that? We'll go right here. And guys, look at the marbling in this steak. Look at that beautiful marble. You do not get a steak that nice in marbling unless you're getting a prime rib. There's one. You can cut these any size you want. Like I said, this one here I just trimmed up. You can cut this again. And there you got two steaks. And you can keep on going on. We should be able to get about, I would say, maybe 6 steaks out of this, depending on what size you want. But the price versus what you're paying for it in the store for a good quality piece of meat, this is a good quality piece of meat already. And you can make the steaks, that's a good half-inch thick. Now, come over here, do the same thing on this side, trim this up, and you can take this, you can make this into a stew, or just like the way it is, and then we're going to just take the middle and cut it right straight down the middle. Then we got 2 very nice steaks, just like that. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There you go. 8 steaks out of that roast at $7.99 a pound, guys. All right, I'm going to end this video. Stay tuned for part 2. I'm going to show you how to cook up one of these beautiful steaks, my special seasoning, and the way I put it together. Until next time, as always, God bless and happy eats.